Hello and welcome to um, more of Clam content from me, your host, Clam Man who makes videos. You may know me from the Clam Show, um, top hit for all the clams videos or clam related content on YouTube. Uh, I'm a very well known celebrity about the clams. Um, Today we're gonna be talking about how to avoid poo-poo disaster after bad clams. Now, if you're like me, you may have had a bad poo-poos after bad clams. I'm talking about diarrhea. Um, Now, it's gonna happen to the best of us. We're gonna have bad clams, maybe at a dinner party, maybe when you're eating dinner with the parents of your new wife for the first time, and they may serve you clams, and one of the clams might be bad, maybe too old to eat, maybe rotten clams. So you may have bad doo-doo diarrhea after that and have to excuse yourself from the dinner table or from any parlor games you might be engaging in at the moment, which would obviously cause embarrassment, stress, anxiety, depression, suicide maybe. Now, this is a common problem and a question that has been reverberated around the clam community about how do we tackle this issue, which affects us all in some way or another. How do we stop the bamboo poo-poo diarrhea and the doo-doo coming out from the nether places from after the bad clams? People write that to me every day almost. I get emails, I get phone calls, I get emails, messages on my phone, emails on the phone, and people saying, how do I not have poo-poo diarrhea pants after eating the bad clams? Is there any sort of way where I can not have poo-poo diarrhea pants after eating bad clams? Well, you might be quite happy to know I am making a video, which you are watching right now, about how to not have poo-poo diarrhea pants after eating bad clams. Now, this is a theory which I came up with, and I have had the chance to test out in the field, as you may say. This is a tested theory. It's true, and I have a patent for it. I am a doctor. The way you not want to have bad diarrhea doo-doo pants after having bad clam is, for every bad clam you want to eat 2 good clams. And you see, the science behind that is you want to counteract the bad with the good. So if you have 1 bad clam, you want to have 2 good clams, or maybe even 3. To be honest, the more good clams you digest after digesting a bad clam, the better. The more healthier your body will be, because the good to bad clam ratio will be bigger for every bit more clam when you have less of the bad clams and more of the good clams, because you're eating more of the good clams and leaving the bad clams behind to fend on their own against all the good clams in your bowel system. So you want to fill your bowels with all the good clams and clam chowder, maybe clam sauce, anything, but just make sure it's not, if there's less of the bad clams. And as I said, I tested this, it works, and this has been just a quick clam tip for all the clam fans on YouTube that have been watching and supporting me on my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I hope